Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Leos. Let us see, guys. Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Ten of Wands, Four of Swords, okay guys. Leos, with these cards I feel you're in a committed relationship and you are feeling burdened in the relationship, guys. You feel you are responsible for everything. You just want to what to say, leave everything and just go away from all these responsibilities, and stay alone and stay reflecting in your mind, okay, what is happening. You just want to have some alone time, guys. You just want to run away from everything, run away from all these kinds of emotions and responsibilities. But for some of you Leos, maybe uh, you are tired, and maybe some of you all are sick physically, okay. Maybe for some of you all you're emotionally stuffed, so much going on around you. You feel really worried about the things happening around you. Some kind of boredom is there. You just want to go away from all these, guys. Maybe for some of you all Leos, you are traveling out for work or some kind of transfer or something of that sort, guys. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Maybe some of you all are just sick, guys. That may be the energy here, and you want to just take rest, have some time to rest. That may be the energy here, guys. Or some of you all may want to rethink about your decisions in your life, maybe about marriage, maybe about this relationship. That may also be the energy here, guys. You just want to think over your decisions. You want to reflect within yourself about your current situation and then decide. You just want to take some time before you make the decision regarding this relationship or regarding this what to say, marriage or alliance, whatever that is, guys. And you're feeling very responsible. You would have taken up this choice, whatever it is in life, okay. You would have taken up these responsibilities, but now you feel it is burdening you a lot now, and you feel what to say, uh, very much disturbed because of that. You just want to you're feeling bored because of that. You just want to run away from all this kind of emotions and feelings, guys. Let us see what is coming up from the other deck, guys. Will give us a better clarity. Leos, with these cards I feel for some of you all, you may be into some kind of habits, guys. some kind of repetitive behavior. That is what I said. You are going on and on with same kind of work, same kind of responsibilities. You may be feeling bored. Okay, you just want to do things in moderation and have some time for yourself, guys. Maybe for some of you all, opportunities are knocking your way. Some important things are happening, some things are changing. Maybe in your work is becoming profitable, and you are reaching towards success, guys. For some of you all, there may be some important news. Somebody may be getting a baby in your what to say yourself or your person, or someone in your close circle. Maybe someone is having a baby, guys. That may also be the energy. And some of you all may be overcoming some kind of difficult situation, Leo. Some kind of what to say bad situation, some kind of worrying situation is coming to an end, guys. So maybe this period of great responsibility, work and tiredness may be coming to an end, and you may start something new, guys. Something what to say some kind of change is coming. Maybe in your routine or in your work, you are going to do something better than yesterday. That may also be the energy here, guys. Something new is coming up. Maybe you're emotionally more prepared, better than yesterday, maybe to do your okay, whatever, to finish your responsibilities in a better way. That may also be the energy here, guys. But some important change is coming over, guys. Something that was worrying is coming to an end. So that is the energy here, Leos. Again, a very positive set of cards, Leos. A very good reading, just like I got it for Gemini, I think. So I'll be picking the angel guidance card, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us today, what to do for Leos. Some of you all may be meeting with friends, guys, and having a good time. So that may also be the energy. Some of you may be getting some gifts, maybe something you wanted from someone you love. So that may be the energy here, guys. Faith. So with this card, I feel Leos, it is time for you to trust yourself, guys, for how to say for your capacities, abilities, and have the trust in yourself. When some things happen and you are unable to take the next step because you cannot trust, just think within yourself and do what your gut feeling tells you to do. So sometimes you need to take that leap of faith, guys. You may not see the light at the end of the tunnel, but sometimes you just need to take the leap of faith when your intuition tells you to do so. So always have trust in yourself and believe in the higher power. So whatever is guiding you, was guiding you yesterday, is going to guide you today. So something good is happening every day, guys. So whatever happens, it happens for good, guys. Nothing is wrong in this universe. So everything happens to make us, to lift us, to be a better person each and every day, guys. So that is the energy, guys. That is the angels guidance for you all today. So you just have to have that trust and belief in your own self, guys. for all your actions and for all your intuitive guidance, whatever your mind and heart says. So thanks for watching, guys. I see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.